What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video of, as always, Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Y'all, you know what's about to go down today because we are talking about the one and only Curlsmith products. So guys, I am so excited to be talking to you today about the Curlsmith products. They were sent to me in the mail and I did receive the strength recipe from Curlsmith. They sent me the shampoo, the multitasking conditioner, honey, and the Shape Up Aqua Gel. These are the three products that we're going to be reviewing today. Just in case you guys might want to try them out, I'm going to be explaining what hair types they're best for, what they can do, and really take a deep dive into this multitasking conditioner and tell you all the beneficial ways that you can use it to help strengthen your hair. So without further ado, let's just hop right on into it. Alright, so if you have never heard of Curlsmith before, they are a very well-known brand that's known for backing up their hair products through science. They have so much science involved in their products that it is impossible for you not to get your hands on some Curlsmith products. Now, they're never going to have any sulfates, silicones, no mineral oils. You won't see any parabens in their products. Like, they are the go-to. But I am going to talk to you guys a little bit more about the shampoo because this stuff was amazing. Now, the Core Strength shampoo was designed to effectively clean the scalp nice and gentle. Also is designed to strengthen your hair as well. If you have dry, brittle hair, use this because it's protein enriched and it's designed to strengthen your hair. Protein goes hand in hand with strengthening. Guys, listen to this. It is supercharged with a bond building technology fibrant. It's a patented innovative ingredient that helps strengthen the internal hair structure up to 3 times. They have an ingredient in here that is patented. So fancy talk, it's patented, honey. Okay, so basically you use this like any shampoo. You go ahead and rinse your hair. Once your hair is thoroughly wet, go ahead and start applying your shampoo. Guys, this shampoo was really nice. I will show it to you. Here's how it comes out. It's really concentrated, so you don't need a lot. It's clear. And it smells really good. It smells like flowers. Ooh! It smells good, y'all. It smells really good. Does carry prickly pear cactus in there. There's also pumpkin seed oil. There's guava juice, wild rice protein, pressed hemp oil, and shredded kale. You tell me which shampoo has shredded kale up in there that's a all-natural product. Bring it to me. Don't worry, I'll wait. Alright guys, now for the main event. After I was finished with the shampoo, I rinsed it all out and I prepped my hair for this multitasking conditioner. I'm so excited to explain to you all of the benefits and all of the different ways that you can use this product because it's absolutely crazy. This is going to be your one-stop shop for like my lazy girls out there who do not like doing all these different steps. This is the only product you're going to need to re-moisturize your hair. Now guys, this product is a 3-in-1 moisturizer, so depending on the application, you can either rinse it out, use it as a deep conditioner, or you can leave it in. And y'all already know what I did. I used it as a deep conditioner, yo. The texture was super silky. Like, that's like the first thing that got me. It was super silky. I applied it right after I was done shampooing my hair, so I did go ahead and let this sit in my hair for about 15 minutes. I do feel like my hair was definitely more manageable because I was able to detangle with this product as well. I did rake the comb through my hair and I just felt like it glided right through as I used the water, the product, the comb. Like, everything worked perfectly for this product. You could use this as a conditioner, and it does say just to leave it in your hair for 1 to 2 minutes and then you can go ahead and rinse it out. But guys, I took it a step farther. I'll put this back in my head. I'll put it back in my head. Before I left the shower, I did put a little bit of this back into my head because I don't like leaving the shower with nothing, and it says it's a leave-in conditioner, so why not put it in your head? So yes guys, I did use this, and here's directions right here. And I did use this as my deep conditioner. I use this as my detangler. I use this as my leave-in. And guess what I did for the styling process, y'all? We paired the multitasking conditioner, and then I went on top with the Shape Up Aqua Gel. These two products were also paired together for the styling process, which we about to get into right now. Now, just to let you guys know, this is also protein enriched. All of their products do have protein enriched ingredients in them, so just be aware when you are using this collection, you are going to have some protein involved. It did say to apply to soaking wet hair, so I did apply right after I left the shower. You do have to rake it through your hands. I did the raking method. I did not want to shingle. I didn't have time for that. We just did the raking method today. The prayer hands, I like it because it does lock in the moisture, and I just feel like you get a nice smooth even like spread on your hair. Like you can tell everything is like balanced once you do the prayer hands, and you can also have that time to wipe away any excess product that you don't need. It is a lightweight product, y'all. I felt like my curls underneath got a lot more definition than the curls on top. I feel like my curls on top got more volume, but that's okay because normally the curls on top are going to be the most manipulated. The sun is hitting it, the wind is hitting it, so they're just like the protector, and then all the good stuff is underneath. You know what I'm saying? You lift that bad boy up and you can see so much definition. I feel like I got the best of both worlds. I got the volume and I got the definition. Sorry if you guys can hear the ambulance going by. Welcome to Philadelphia. But I got the most volume and the most definition by using this product, and that's what I do like about it. Usually, and I feel like most people go for definition, especially on like day 1 and 2. Volume is going to happen naturally as your hair dries. It is going to rise, guys. If you don't know that, now you do. But for some reason with this formula, I got a lot of definition at the at the back of my hair and in the center of my hair, and then I got a lot more volume at the top, and I didn't take a pick to it or anything. I just applied the product and I let it do its thing. And I applied this and this together, so extremely nice. I didn't use a lot. You can see it's like right here. That's not a lot of product at all, guys. I did not use a lot of product whatsoever when it came to this gel, and I was actually surprised because I kept like going back and like reapplying it because I realized it was like a watery gel, and I just felt like I wasn't getting the hold that I wanted. But I have to remember, it's not designed to, it's designed to be like a weightless hold, and that's what it did. Like my hair feels very weightless. It doesn't feel weighed down at all. It feels like a big old cotton black old poof ball. I don't know. But I like it. All around A+ for me. I like this product as well. I just love the Curlsmith products. Again, all around A+. What team am I? I am definitely team leave-in. If I'm using the product, I want it in my hair all week long, so I don't want to rinse it out. Even though I did use this as my deep conditioner, my team is definitely team leave-in. I paired the multitasking conditioner with the Shape Up Aqua Gel. I think that it worked out good, so you guys can definitely go check them out. Again, this is a strength recipe, and I'm just all around so happy with it. Your girl is team leave-in. So guys, if you do have any questions whatsoever about the Curlsmith products, you can definitely either DM me on my Instagram at AsAlwaysAleah, or you can just comment below. Let's chat. You know, I love talking to you guys about these products right here. Again, all around great product for me. I'm happy. Another successful wash and go. And if you guys did purchase the multitasking conditioner, let me know how you use this product and which team are you. Are you team leave in or are you team leave out? Guys, thank you so much for watching this week's episode on As Always Aleah. My name is Aleah. This is As Always Aleah, where we always always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.